Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Does your vehicle need new U-joints? Well, if so, check out these from Spicer. So Spicer is well known for making really quality replacement U-joints, and this is no different. It is definitely a durable and heavy duty product, and we like this because it is built to last. So when you are replacing U-joints in your car or truck, you really want to make sure that they are good quality. You can see that our before pictures, this truck really needed some new U-joints, so we're super excited to have these ones. These are axle shaft universal joints, and it includes the snap rings. So this little kit has what you need to get these installed, and we were just really happy with this product. We installed this into a 93 Dodge Cummins project that we've been working on, and this worked out really, really well. So if you're looking to replace the U-joints on your vehicle, definitely check out this from Spicer. They have a variety of sizes, so you can make sure that you're getting the right fit for your vehicle. And I think you'll be really happy with the quality of this product. And that's my point of view.